What's going on, insiders? It's Harrison here with the rapid rundown version of the price list update summary video series for September 2024. There are 24 new line items added to the Xactimate price list this month, so let's take a look. At the top here, there are 5 new line items in the DMO category: HEPA and various NAFAN line items. HEPA ad for HEPA filters, negative air fans, and air scrubbers. We've had these line items in the WTR category, but now they find themselves in the DMO category. In the next section here, we have a large collection of TCR, trauma and crime remediation line items. Again, some of these selector codes may look familiar: EQ, EQA, duct LF, line items in the TCR category for setting up equipment, lay flat ducting, tearing out carpet, wood floor, tackless strips, trim, baseboard, applying antimicrobial in the TCR category, as well as a collection of lead test fee line items here in the TCR category as well. Lastly, an ELE line item around disconnect box 30 to 60 amp, specific to the detach and reset activity of that disconnect box. Be sure to tune in later this month when we take a look at these 24 new line items. How are they intended to be used? As well as look at the changes to the existing line items in the price list here in September 2024. Thank you.